Elaine.
And I'm Dean.
And we are
Grassroots Living.
So today we're going to take you on a cruise. It's going to be a free cruise because you don't have to pay. So that's fun. Recently we took a cruise at Pictured Rocks National Lakeshore. You want to tell them about that?
It's in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, up by Munising. We had a great time.
Yeah, it was really beautiful. So the cruises are the Classic Cruise, which is $38, which is the one that we took. The Sunset Cruise is also $38, and the what's it called? The Spray Falls Cruise, which it'll tiny bit longer. Well, actually it's 15 minutes shorter, but you see a lot of waterfalls. We didn't take that one. That one is $45. They're all about 2.5 hours long and approximately 32 miles round trip.
And they leave from the Munising, Michigan harbor. So
right. If you've taken any of these cruises, let us know. We'd kind of like to know how the Sunset Cruise is, how the Waterfalls Cruise is. So comment below if you've taken any of those cruises and if you have any suggestions for us. And we'll link the website where you can go look for more information about the cruises and buying tickets and stuff. And if you see us like shaking, we are currently in West Texas and the wind is crazy. Okay, so we don't want to talk too long today because this cruise is absolutely fabulous and we just want you guys to just sit back and enjoy it. We want you to get, a nice drink and a little snack and put it on big screen. We happen to know that some of you that are watching right now have had kind of a rough week, lost jobs, all kinds of sketchy stuff. So this is just about taking a cruise today. We have so many pictures and so many videos and we didn't know totally how to present it, but we just thought, you know what? Let's just let people take this cruise with us. So seriously, make yourself comfortable, go full screen, and enjoy this cruise. Yeah.
I think so. That's it.
All right, we'll see you at the end. right, so we hope you enjoyed that cruise. I was going to say hope you enjoyed that cruise as much as we did, but you couldn't have. It was a gorgeous day and it was fabulous. And if you get the chance, take the cruise for real. Totally worth the drive to get there and the money to spend on the ticket. We are not big spenders, and so we don't do this kind of stuff very often, but I'm so glad that we did and really hope that you enjoyed that. Before we sign off today, we want to give a shout out
to our friends at Diary of a Family.
Yeah.
We were able to spend a little bit of time last night with them in person. In fact, they invited us over for dinner, and we just had a great time. Absolutely loved it.
They're also here in Texas. Like you said, we got to visit with them. We actually did a one-on-one interview, and that'll be airing. At the time that this shows, it'll be airing tomorrow at 8 o'clock Central. So we really hope that you guys will check that out. Such a sweet family, Garrett and Carolyn, and their 3 beautiful, really cool, awesome kids. Let's see, there was Eddie and Timothy and Emma. So shout out to you guys. You guys are awesome. This is Grassroots Living, reminding you to get down to the grassroots of what makes you happy and live your love.
We're thinking of you, and we'll see you next time.
Peace out.
Don't forget to subscribe.